Welcome to India Yojana. AICTE PG Scholarship Scheme 2020. Apply online for stipend on GATE or GPAT courses. All India Council for Technical Education has started AICTE PG Scholarship Scheme 2020. Now, MTech MEMR course students can fill AICTE PG GATE or GPAT scholarship application form for the current academic year 2021. All the interested students can apply online for Rs 12,400 stipend on GATE or GPAT courses at the official website before the last date. The online registration lines for PG students are now open. You can check the eligibility criteria, instructions attached and the complete details here. All the students who have received admission in the institutions affiliated with AICTE in the current academic year 2021 can avail benefits of this scheme. For the purpose, applicant must possess a valid GATE score at the time of admission to be eligible for the scholarship as announced. So how to apply for the scholarship? Online proposals are invited from the AICTE approved institutions for the academic year for disbursement of PG scholarship through DBT to the students admitted in AICTE approved programs of ME, MTech, M-Pharmacy, MArch with valid GATE GPAT scorecard. So here is the complete process to apply it online. First, you need to visit the official website aicteindia.org. At the homepage, you need to click on the PG scholarship under the quick link section. In the new window, the link will be opening for the apply. At the new page, scroll over the click to proceed to the scholarship student verification ID tab button and click it. Afterwards, the AICTE PG scholarship scheme application form will be opening. Here in this student ID verification application form, applicants can fill all the details. It includes state, institute, permanent ID, student ID, DOB. Finally, applicants can also click at the validate button to complete the complete process, scheme registration process. So it is important to note that the student's ID or institute permanent ID may be obtained from the institute. For new institutes or deemed universities, current application number and permanent ID are the same. So I'll show you the complete process. So this is the official website. So here's the quick links. You can apply directly for the PG scholarship. So just click on that. So this is the notification. So here you can get the PG scholarship of 12,400 per month. So here you can check out all the instructions for the students and instructions for the attachments, and here is the helpline number. You need to click here to proceed to GATE or GPAT scholarship student ID verification tab. So people can even check the AICTE PG scholarship application online process and the eligibility criteria. So here you need to enter the state, institute permanent ID, student ID and the date of birth and click on the validate button. Now moving on to the eligibility criteria. Only GATE or GPAT qualified candidates are eligible for this scholarship. Candidates admitted for part-time courses are not eligible. Bank account name and candidate name should be same. Joint accounts are not permitted. Student must have general savings account in the bank. GATE candidates admitted in engineering or architecture program and GPAT candidates admitted in pharmacy program alone are eligible. Admissions before or after validation shall not be considered for the scholarship. So you can check out all the terms and conditions here. Now comes to the list of documents. Recent authentic non-creamy layer certificate is required for OBC candidates. Documents of SC, ST, OBC, physically handicapped certificate shall be attested by the institute principal or gazetted officer. So you need to upload both original and translated certificates. All other attachments shall be self-attested by the candidate. It is important to note that any clear and readable attachment shall be accepted as necessary documents. Moving on to the stipend details. As per the official advertisement, students will be getting monthly stipend of 12,400 per month for a duration of 2 years or till the course is completed whichever happens sooner. In addition, students will also get an additional grant of rupees 20,000 as per the scholarship notification. So AICTE, in order to ensure the development of technical education in Words, awards PG of 12,400 per month to full-time GATE or GPAT qualified students. So you can check out all the details in the official website. So I will leave the direct links and the helpline numbers in description. For any technical queries, you can also contact them. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.